Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, I'm super excited to be showing everybody the 2022 Thor Gemini model 23TW. This one's all-wheel drive. This one's made on the Ford Transit chassis with the EcoBoost. It's really nice. It's 306 horsepower with 400 pound-feet of torque. What I love about this motorhome is this is a Class B motorhome. It's a Class B plus. But what I mean is you're driving a Class B and you have this much overhang on both sides. So on the inside, you won't believe how much space it has. It does have frameless windows with a nice armless awning with wind sensor. So if the wind blows too hard, the awning will automatically retract itself back in. And because this is a Thor, it does have a 12-year structural warranty, 6-year lamination warranty. Let's take a look at the inside. Inside, right away, you can see that it has a ton of space if we pan around here. This is absolutely amazing. To think that we're in anything that drives like a Class B is crazy. So first, this cockpit area. Really nice up here. Both seats do swivel to become part of the living area. It's really nice. No bunk over the cab. That's why they call it a B+. It's a lot more aerodynamic that way. I love that front windshield. Makes it, you know, bright and airy in here. Right over here, the dinette area. It's really nice. It drops down to make a bed. You actually have cup holders and a wireless charger there. Over here is your kitchen area. Nice sink. Nice sized kitchen area. Again, you have to understand how small this motorhome is. Here's the bed. This is a great big bed for a small motorhome. The storage actually does flip up right there. And then you have huge storage in the rear. And to wrap it all up is the bathroom. A decent sized bathroom, shower, and sink area. This is just an awesome Class B plus motorhome, and I appreciate you guys checking out this quick 2-minute tour. If you want to see the full review, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. Or if you're interested in buying this motorhome, please fill out the contact form down below, and one of our motorhome specialists will reach out to you. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.